Today in this video, I am ready with this question. You can see on screen. You can read the question carefully. Obviously, you can understand yourself, but let us go through a basic scenario to understand the question. Enjoy the scenario.
Siva is very happy today because he buys a second-hand bike at rupees 1,53,200. But he has to repair it before going for a ride and spend rupees 200 to repair it. Now he is in ride thinking his total cost price with repairing charge is rupees 1,54,400. But on the way, he meets his friend Vishnu, who offers some amount for his bike, and he sold it. Now they start to calculate the total selling price because Siva is in loss of 8%, but are not able to calculate the selling price for Siva, which will be the cost price for Vishnu.
Now, what? OB, sir, would you please explain us?
I am back now to help Siva because here Siva is in worry. Why? Because he had a loss of 8%. But what price should Vishnu give to him? Let us calculate to solve their problem. Okay, so here is the question. So here first total cost price of the motorcycle for Siva is rupees 1,53,200 plus repairing charge is rupees 1,200. Then what becomes the total? 1,54,400, isn't it? Then he got the loss of 8%. He sold the bike to Vishnu, but he bear loss of 8%. Then we need to find out what is the selling price. For that, we know there is one modified form which can be used either to find out selling price or to find out cost price. So here in this video, we are going to apply this modified formula, and this is the case of loss. So as you know the formula, SP by CP equals to 100 minus loss percentage by 100. Now simply replace the values. Okay, now just replace the values. SP by cost price is 1,52,400. 100 minus 8 by 100. Here in case of loss percent, no need to write that percent because this is already a modified form where 100 has been already been divided over there. Now simply do the calculation from here. I hope you know what to do. What you need to do? Cross multiplication, and especially cross multiply to that term which is missing, like SP into 100, 100 into SP, whereas 92 and 154,400 will multiply to each other. So it becomes SP equals to rupees 1,42,048, and this amount should Vishnu has to pay for the bike to the Siva. That's why initially Siva paid 1,52,400, but he got only 1,42,400. That's why Siva is, I think, worried, isn't it? He was so much worried. Yeah. Just pause the video. This is the way you will write in your copy. Copy this solution. We'll meet on next video. Till then, it's me, your LB sir. signing off.